What's up, guys? Now today I want to share with you the idea priority matrix, which you can use in order to test your ideas. The moment you have too many ideas on the table and you are considering which ones you should prioritize on, I'm going to show you here how we use this model to look at two criteria. One, whether the idea is urgent, whether we need to do it urgently, and whether it's important for the business, for the organization. So then, in case we have an idea which is not important and not urgent, so falls on this quadrant, then it's very simple. We just reject this idea or we completely cancel it. So we don't do it. This way we can prioritize on the other ideas and immediately eliminate all the ideas which are not urgent and not important. Then consider if we have an idea which is very important but not urgent. Here we have a case where really we have to think and plan whether we want to do this idea, but we can think and we can plan because it's not urgent. We have time. So we can take the time and we can allocate some time or space of time in the coming days or weeks so that we can think and plan whether this idea can be done and how it can be done. Because keep in mind, it's very important. We don't have a deadline, but we need to set ourselves a deadline, because unless we do something now, eventually it will become urgent. And we don't want this to become urgent and important because it doesn't have to. We can plan accordingly and do it on time. Then imagine if we have an idea which is not important, but it's urgent. What happens here? Really, we can do these ideas quickly and spend minimum effort on them. Because why? They are urgent, but they are not important. So do not spend too much time on things which are not that important. And that's how we eliminate the time that we spend on this, because instead of spending hours and hours, we just spend some minutes and we complete it. We don't have to be perfect. Why be perfect on ideas which are not so important, They might be urgent, but not important. And we are left with this, which is all the ideas that are very important, but also urgent. What do we do here? We need to do them very fast, immediately. So we cannot wait here. We cannot wait because they are urgent. We need to start working on them immediately, right now. They are top priority for us because they are important and urgent. So spend most of your time on this. Then think about this when you have free time. Then you can spend little minutes on this and just drop the ideas that are not important and not urgent. If you start using this model, I'm sure you're going to be more clear about what do you need to do next, which idea becomes next, and what do you need to implement immediately.